Hello, first graders. Today we are going to start on a rough draft of a red bird sitting on a branch. You are going to need a white piece of paper and something to draw with. Since this is our rough draft, this is not going to be on the thick construction paper. It's just any piece of paper that you can draw on. Today I will be drawing with a black marker so that you can see it really well. And then I will be talking at the end of the video on how to finish this for your final draft. All right, let's get started. First, we're going to turn our paper sideways, horizontal, and I'm going to put a dot right in the middle. Okay. From this dot, I am going to draw a teardrop shape. Just like that. My teardrop is angled towards the corner. That's going to become really important because the next step is to turn our paper up and down vertical, and we're going to continue with our bird. This is going to be the wing for our bird. So my bird's head is going to come up, and now I'm going to make a curved line that's going to end down here near my wing. So it's going to come out, around, almost like a letter C. From there, I'm going to draw a line down. These are going to be the tail feathers. I'm going to grab just above the bottom of the wing, and I'm going to bring those out and connect with a small curve. If you're having trouble, don't worry. This is your first draft. It's a rough draft. No worries. Up here on the face, we're going to create the black mask of the cardinal. So I'm going to draw a curved line over. I'm going to give him an eye. And out here, I'm going to do a beak. From there, we're going to make this bird sit on a branch. So I'm going to draw two little legs coming down. And I made the legs with a double line to show the thickness. The little feet of our little bird kind of look like a W. So I'm going to put 3 little toes on my bird. Next, I'm going to draw a branch. I'm going to start my branch down here, and it's going to come upward, and my little bird is going to be sitting on it. So, I'm starting down here, bringing my branch up. When I hit the first foot, I'm going to stop. I'm going to continue on, stop again for the second foot, and continue out of the picture. Since a branch also has thickness, we're going to create a second line, and this line goes underneath both of the feet. To make this branch even more beautiful, we're going to create lines coming out that are going to be pine needles. Now, for today, for the rough draft, this is all that I want you to get done. So, you are going to try this again. Sometimes in art, we turn our paper over and we try it again. That's exactly what I'm having you do today. I want you to continue drawing this red bird until you get him perfect. Tomorrow, we will discuss coloring our red bird. Today, all you do is the rough draft.